Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw Rainbow Star Popit. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing and painting videos for kids. Like and share this video. Let's draw some lines. Small circles. Let's make it more neat and prominent. Let's color together. Red color, orange color, we are using rainbow colors. Yellow color, green color, blue color, purple color, again red, orange, yellow. Let's complete these colors. Red color, red color. We are using red color. Orange color. Which color we are using? We are using orange color. Good job. Now we will complete yellow color. Yellow color. We are using yellow color. Light green color. Light green color. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Blue color. We are using blue color. Purple color. We are using purple color. Red color. Red color. Orange color. Again we are using orange color. The last one, yellow color. We are using yellow color. Subscribe for more drawing and painting videos for kids. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.